Statistically speaking, if you're going to be caught for a major crime, it will happen within the first 48 hours. Most killers are caught because they are impulsive, emotional, and, above all, personally connected to their victim. But there is a tiny fraction of a percent who vanish into the woodwork. They aren't smarter than the FBI. They just understand the flaws in a system built by humans. In exactly 240 seconds, we're analyzing the clinical reality of cold cases and the forensic hurdles that allow some to hide in plain sight. This isn't a guide. It's a terrifying look at the linkage blindness that keeps investigators in the dark. The biggest mistake a killer makes is choosing someone they know. The police start with the inner circle and work outward. To evade capture, the successful predator exploits what sociologists call the less dead theory. As seen in the case of Samuel Little, killers often target marginalized individuals, the homeless, the addicted, or those without strong social ties. Why? Because the system is biased. A missing person with no family to pressure the police often leads to a low-priority investigation. By the time a pattern is noticed, the trail isn't just cold, it's gone. Even in 2026, the greatest weapon of a serial offender is a gas card and a highway. This is linkage blindness. Despite the existence of databases like VICIP, different police jurisdictions often fail to communicate. If a crime occurs in Nevada and a similar one happens in Ohio, the dots are rarely connected unless there is a specific forensic signature. By moving constantly across state lines, a killer turns a local investigation into a fragmented national puzzle that most underfunded departments simply don't have the resources to solve. Every contact leaves a trace. This is Locard's exchange principle. A single skin cell, a strand of hair, or a microscopic drop of sweat can be a death sentence in a modern lab. But forensic awareness is the killer's countermove. We've seen offenders use touch DNA avoidance, wearing full-body Tyvek suits and using bleach to denature proteins at a crime scene. However, even the most meticulous scene cleaning creates its own signature. The absence of expected evidence is, in itself, a clue that the perpetrator is a professional. In the past, you could disappear. Today, your digital ghost is everywhere. Your phone pings cell towers, your car records its GPS coordinates, and genetic genealogy means that even if your DNA isn't in the system, your second cousin's 23andMe results could lead the police right to your door. To truly get away with it today, you would have to exist entirely outside the modern world. No electronics, no credit cards, and no digital footprint. In a world of total surveillance, the perfect crime is becoming a mathematical impossibility. So, can you actually get away with it? While technology is closing the window, the human element remains the weakest link. Bad policing, lost files, and societal biases still allow predators like Ted Bundy to slip through the cracks for years. The scary truth isn't that these killers are geniuses, it's that the system is only as good as the people running it. 240 seconds later, you've seen the science of the cold case. But who else is hiding in your neighborhood right now? Think the digital age has ended the era of the serial killer? Or is the next ghost already among us? Let us know your theories in the comments. And for a look at the elite teams that hunt these people down, click here to watch how to become a US Army sniper. Thanks for watching and stay safe.